Okay, so Mitch did some repairs on doors here. These are doors that a tenant had punched through the skin of the door. They're hollow core doors. So what Mitch did to fix these is he cut some 1/8 inch 2.7 millimeter door skin and got some epoxy. So we put a piece in here and here behind with epoxy. So he inserted the pieces into the door, put epoxy, 5-minute epoxy on them, and pulled them back and set them into the backside to back the patch. So there's a piece here and a piece here, and then you cut another piece that's just the size of the opening and fit that, glue that, epoxy it in there. And then you take some Bondo and fill the rest of the patch. So that will replace or fix this door. It's a rental, so it will probably only get punched again. This door had a hole in it too. What about the other side? No, the other side didn't get punched. And this one's okay here. And this door was untouched. So there you go. And this is what we used to create the patchwork. This is just very thin 1/8 inch plywood door skin. Easily cuts with a utility blade. Here's the epoxy that we used on it. Just the Gorilla 5-minute epoxy. And there is the Bondo all-purpose putty. 2-part. It smells wonderful, and this is the Bondo here. It's hard as a rock now. Good stuff. So that repair will take care of the door. We'll sand it smooth, paint it, and when it's all done, you shouldn't even be able to tell that there was ever a patch. So we are going through and painting up this unit. Yeah, the cell phone's just not a wide enough angle. There's no light in here. It'd be nice if there was a skylight or something in this bathroom. And there's no heater either. And there's Mitch's truck. I can hear his diesel engine running. Yep, there he is, just pulling up. So, okay, we are going to get to work and finish this place out today. New carpeting goes in tomorrow. And then we'll be back on our regular project. And there you see the repaired door painted. You can just make out one of the patches there, which is waiting for a second coat, and second coat on the one up here too. See if we can spot it. So yeah, there it is. So yeah, worked out pretty good. 3 patches on that door. And then this door here, you can't hardly tell. That one's waiting for a second coat of paint too, but it'll cover up when all is done. Cheaper than putting in a new door.